ignorant. Because you have the audacity to come on the internet and I come talk about. I make them go to school. I make them go to school. You go PTA meeting. And you carry them go to school. You go PTA meeting and all of the things them. Right? Alright. And me never hear you try. Me never hear you acknowledge who make them can go to school. JAKES is a worthless father. My message to you is a worthless, cutlass father. Good for nothing, reject. Yeah, I'm not done with it yet, but just start. Can I come on the internet and lie for me? For look sympathy for beg. You never come on the internet and tell a lie for me for look sympathy for beg. Not more than two, you see me at number 2 last time with the whole per diamond, the flip here. They say, oh, me I go up on the internet this man and Ivan here train you. I owe 7, 8 years I tell you if you blood clot. Don't argue with her. You will get gift. Argue with her. You can't argue with me. Cause I know you stop put your head between my legs. You can't argue with me. I'm gonna go down like that, you know. When I touch that. And it's oh, you can't argue with me. I know you stop put your head between my legs. That's oh, you can't argue with me. But like you want to talk about kids, we'll go down on the kids' story. Nice, simple, cool, and collective, and nice. Me, you come out, come say, and you have to walk, and you have to carry them go to school. You have to help them with them homework, and you have to wash, cook, and clean. Maybe it was my maid, so we don't want them here to do. Nyam home all, nyam spend my money, nyam my food, nyam my all, and for do nothing. What the expect you want there, yada is a man. Where the expect say they want to long my yard do. Nyam my food, spend my money, nyam my all. And just long on the nothing, you have to be maid. You have to be a maid. You have to wash, cook, and clean and tidy. They cannot do it properly, but you have to do something. You have to do something. As early as a man, you wake up. Come party time and talking with blood clot me. ROSEALEE made. ROSEALEE 4th clot. And me create you. Anything we are going on the internet and my show you live under. You want to be me so bad that it can't work. Come here because you like enough up and you like run up. You come on the net, you talk about, oh, you care put them guys, you care, you're putting them in a parent-teacher meeting. You can't put them got parents. I mean, everything you do for your youth, them, you have to bring it on the net. It's a waste, man. What kind of man to brief? Everything you do for your people, them, you have to reach on the net. One man, the little girl got to show her money for buy egg. I have to ask if the egg don't run at the people in the yard. And you come tell the people them say, oh, the woman run a yard now. After I see the screen record, when the little girl asks him money for buy egg. "95% of not like, but I not give 2 fuck. I not like have no comments from me a top girl. I not throw a 2 girl. And me and mind them from them born till now. This man you wake up and you touch net and you send them come knock my door for give them lunch when they go to school and you them father. And you work, me you work the same place. You don't mind pitness, fuck you care about. And the next girl all for go eat out. Today Monday morning. Now, JAKES, today on Monday morning, I rang the whole of last week. I ever sent them to me this man for lunch money? Now tell me how it look. Today on Monday morning. I ever sent people them to me for lunch money? Today is Monday morning. And you have to send the people them to me for lunch money? So what your duty as a father? Not about who have it more and who have it less. What is your duty as a father? What me give them all the while? See, I tell you, you feel like you're not all the while, you get paid all the time. JAKES, I dare you for sure. Me, one school bag whereby I pity them I want boot. I dare you. For sure, me one bag I want boot whereby I get pity them since they on TikTok and have money. 2 months now, I dare you. He's a cruff. I dare you. I dare you. For sure, me one bag. I want. What do we talk about the youth them? We are about to say on TikTok is that you want a bed. Everybody we argue with JAKES have bed. You want a bed. But video the people where you asleep. You live like a madman. You ever want to come in and argue? You're dirty with capital D. You ever want to come in an argument with blood clot? You're dirty with capital blood clot D. You live like a madman. Remember me clean you up. Oh, she this and she that. Remember say me clean you up. The bump on the right so, a 50,000 like cost me. All of the clothes we wear in the last time me buy them. I mean, me make a beard. Me can make a beard and smell good. And me clean you up. You come talk about clout. You have clout? We an empire. You're boring like dog. Don't think enough to use the mouth properly. Very well, too. You're boring like dog. Tap up the screen, tap up the screen. Send 3 flowers there. And then I step and then I shirt. JAKES, if you don't call me, you get attention, you get a chat because you're boring. I see your little girl we are talk to when him Kiki come here, come see your size up. Make JAKES belch in your blood clot and tell me if you not smell my pussy. Anytime you kiss JAKES Kiki, me I tell you this. See God there, God bust me neck. And my pussy I got taste. My come live in a film joke back. My come live in the walls a film choke back. From me at 20 till me at 32. Don't ramp with me because I pair off over this blood clot, you know. Because me no nice. My come live in a JAKES choke back from me at 20 until me at 32. So when I kiss me reject, I'm a pussy I got always a kiss. And no girl will kiss my pussy can't argue with me. Oh, go one side. No girl will kiss my wall can't talk to me. Come here, you know suck front just you like the forefront. Nyam wall. But every girl know about your blood clot mouth. Your mind pitney. Where you that work for mind pitney? For the put them a go to school ever buy a uniform yet? You know school fee pay. So you go to the bookstore me selling the suck hole. You like take credit for you know about me? Me some look a big pussy dirty warren kill someone in a foreign. I come talk about and how he's such a good father. He's just a good father. He's a mother and father for the blood clot kids when we're on blood clot. Oh. When we're oh. JAKES, you're lazy with capital L. You don't care. You're lazy with capital L. You're lazy with capital L. You don't care. Which part you good? Which part are you good father? You ever buy a textbook for you put them go to school yet? Sister, you like chat. You ever buy a textbook for you put them go to school yet? You ever buy a pair of socks? You ever buy a pair of uniform? You ever buy a white blouse? You ever buy a bag? You ever buy a book? And the liquor we just start do. You make it be like you do it from them just born. The liquor we just start, look, you know do shit same way. And 2 times since me and a dealer come borrow my money. As a job, I want money today done tomorrow, can you buy fuck? It's fuck you're interested in a suck hole. Cause remember, you not look good, no right it, girl, not still with you. Come in, no right it, that's why I stay with you for long. No right it, girl, not stay with you long enough. Me never right it now, me get right it now. No right it, girl, no want you. The girl where you fuck up, the little girl where you fuck up blood clot, Marley. So-called pussy. No right it, girl, no want you. Me the mad twin, no. Me I tell you no. You chat out of your blood clot mouth. I like run, come click. If you beg, don't call my pussy clot name. Show me the fake shoes where you can buy gear. Pity for glad see a blood clot, man. See me and like me and rate me and check me and buy 2 fake shoes, give you blood clot with them. What you never buy yet. Show the one where you blood clot buy. What is not fake. I the one where you buy what fake. Where you ever buy your blood clot with them yet. From them born. Show it. Don't show the popcorn match when somebody sponsor your pussy. Show some of your money buy. Because the popcorn machine a sponsor, somebody sponsor you it. How you not buy your one a pitney? How you can't fuck none of them? Anybody will get your money after you fuck them. And somebody sponsor you it. Somebody sponsor you it. And somebody sponsor you it. You're not dipping in your pocket and spend 100,000 per year, pitney. It's impossible. Like Mission Impossible. You got a PTA meeting the day when CDA, for choice of the boy like Croft. The day when they see them go over the school. Him wake up a morning time. And him say the put them gas, him follow put them gas school. And the day when the principal call for him phone, him can't answer it all now. And if they'd answer it, I wouldn't be in this position. If my phone now ring, why you can't answer your phone? Why you can't answer your phone? Me not gonna do no tag and warp on it for nothing. Stop come out and come tell lie. I fuck alone him pay good money for. Him not get the pity them shit. Him not care. Him not business. Him not care, him not business. Where I get the pity them? Where I get them? Who I know where I get them? Where I get them? And me no cuss you to say buy this, you don't buy it. Where you get the pity them? And I come talk about I should not stop follow me and watch me pay big pussy boy. Me not watch you. Me not watch you. A bunny come on man, come on me yard, come lie down in my house. And there's nothing you can do because you go like you're bad. All them some that bruise a little stinking ego where your blood clot have. You think me not know? You vex, come on man, come on me yard and there's no, you have to quail like a bitch. You have to literally one ball, you have to quail up. And you go like you're bad. So make stinking shell make you feel like you're things. Vex, come on man, come on me yard. And you have to quail like a bitch, you be. Like a maid you are. Like a suck front totally and quail. At the front, me say up on the front in a days you don't come out there. You want to come and can't come. Me man, me say me man. Yeah. Make you can't come out there. And you go like you're bad. You can't come out there when I see you. He make you quail. He make you quail. Because you're a bad boy, you're a punk, you're a clown. The only thing you know about pay one lick out pussy and batty. That's your bad boy. He make you quail. Ain't nobody. The man them not rate you. Cause if you up and take a whole tool, come on, you go like your blood them. You the same dirty foot jakes them know. Now be it clothes one wash. Teeth one brush. You know about the house. But think I go to them through over the come. I know the black them there, right? I know the black them out the door still laying down. I said, me please me want put up. You know about that build house is a cruff. Me know you not build house, you know. Me know you not build no house. I want to come on social media come go like me obsessed over you. If you do what exactly? Your house, go work for your house when I further. I work on the little girl where you buy fuck from where you buy fuck when you can't go yard. I go worry about the bed where you not have. I go worry about your youth them. But want to keep on care. Them are my own and them want to keep on care. And them are mines. You have too much things to worry about. Them want to keep on care. Them are mines. Them want to keep on care. How you can't put them up, you know? How you not live no way? Them want to keep on care. They're kids. Caring, it's a long way. Hey, I'm going to take care of blood clot. Pity you mind them? If I alone, I'm going to kill it, pity them. What do you call me? They already call me. Get put them some feet because I'm broke. And y'all work every day upon TikTok. Y'all watch my pocket. Get put them some feet because I'm broke. He's a careless, dirty, stinking man. I say any day my blood clot, I say I never talk my last word by. I like a light man. I not even talk my last blood clot. Come to come catch you, your brother in the house, you know. But come catch you, your bottom in my blood clot house, you know. Like when you carry all in there, someone put nothing blood clot past you, you know. But you come catch your boy brother in the house, come and put nothing blood clot past you, you know. I say I not even talk my last blood clot word. Because me not have the argument again in a suck hole. Me not ask the argument again. Because you not mind Pitney. Me not make it my blood keep on a boil over the story over and over. Because fuck it, June, you know Jake's not mind Pitney for morning. And me got to go sell and work and mind them. You never buy a pump as it never feeding. When me a breed, you never give money for the ultrasound, never buy a baby clothes. Just so me, I forget never buy me a pad that even drawers. So I don't know where you feel like your things. You only pay for fuck. You can't get it for free, because you can't fuck the free. What you do with the money? Why did the siblings of me carry from Panama? If you never bust off your blood clot food, you wouldn't get half a tree go buy one to owe your cruff. You and your whole generation of family my cruff. I don't know where to begin or where to start. But I start from your mama. Because she give you the whole of blood clot. You not the father, you know. You talk about you not the father, you know. See, your parents them treat us, so you treat a picnic. Because you're not the father, you know. Because your father name Williams and you name Beckford. Go search your you go search your bird paper. You over here chat every blood clot. Go search your bird paper. Go search your father last name. Big 32-year-old man like you. I walk and own a brother and sister. You don't have them last name. He's a jacket. He's a fucking jacket. You don't have the father last name. Williams them name and him name Beckford. And mama name him for half of one bread chuck. He's a fucking jacket. Go search your last name. You don't even have a pussy clot last name. Nobody don't own you. You put on the own you, your mama that show for your baby. You grow rough in the blood clot and hungry. And bad mind and jealous and envious. Just see me look at Diamond and laugh. You look at this man early and blood clot me. Would you look at Nyam catch himself? I'm in a blood clot take. I'm in a pussy clot friend. I'm in know your family no way. I'm not chat to you. The last you come for me up in your blood clot is because you're too bright. Me not chat to you. Me chat to you, me call you. Who a follow up you? You have clothes with me you want? You are smarty? Me walk in your shadow? You have name on the internet? You're funny? What is the content? What is the content? At the diamond, them you see me last night, earth up your blood clot cranium. What is the blood clot content? over here. You come and click like when a chat and a chat. You don't do, you ever want class blood clad? You ever want class AKEEM? You don't want 2 good underpants. You ever want to tell AKEEM about shut up and you lick out my and shit come out about tea? You ever want to talk about people shut up? Jakes, your mouth shut up and your mouth piss up. Let us talk about shut up. Your mouth piss up and shut up. How you about lick out all about tea? I'm gonna ask me. Put Aliyah to the forefront, you gonna say the same thing. Put Aliyah to the forefront, you gonna say you have got Drake suck my pussy. Put her up on the spot. Carry her to the forefront and ask her. Carry my family up to the forefront and ask them. Because you're main course blood clot, me they like what like blood clot things. Look for your teeth them. Look for your blood clot teeth them in your mouth. Or them dirty. Look at your mouth. You teeth them out in your mouth dirty. For your teeth them. You want beard. You come out in a blood clot darkers. Just when we go so. Stink. Your whole body stink. But die if you get rid of you. You search out my clit too much. But die if you run you. Where? I move your stinking self and blood clot your so. You ever want to come side of the in a leak? You want a bed. 32-year-old boy like a girl choice. You got like your blood clot things. And me throw you out. Me throw you out. Because when me yard don't you know want leave from over there. You want itch up on my bumbo like you want my mind till you're dead. I'm going to decide something I'm going to run your way. Pussy fall up for what? Me not kiss Jakes. Me not kiss him. I'm not like him. Oh. That's where my blood clot come from. What the fuck you tell me say my blood clot come from? What tell me say my come from? Just suck pussy like dog. I'm afraid of Jakes. She said come lick me. I dare if you come and lick me. We'll get this shit start. Cause it's like a money and fame you want hype over. Me not hide. Since a money and fame you want hype over. How you go like a you run the FYP suck all. You know run nowhere boy ya. It's a chimney mouth. Suck your mama hard. And you're the FY blood clot P. You come here, come see me batty boy, you're gonna leave me here. Oh.
I want to trouble with you, bro. In real life. As I say, bro, just take care of your youth, them, bro. You see? And Shanta and Barbar can call me and ask me for anything in this world and get it. You see it? See, then Christmas I come here. The way you do it, bro, certain thing are strengthen up for you, bro, and you come and you make your own thing, you know, dog. Just do it right, bro, and just love people out there, you think, dog. That's what I say, if you deal with your baby mother, bro, deal with your baby mother. You see it? Just leave me out there, you think, my dog, in real life. Power top the life of them, thing. You see it? If you can see your daughter right there, so, and I said that to her, say, big pussy girl to the mother and them something there. Your daughter go feel like it alright, dog, for another man deal with her, so, bro. And remember, say, she get big, my dog. You have to remember, say, it's a young female, bro, and them live with them learn, and she get big. You know what I say? So, you have to understand certain things, bro. I now come here, come beat you, bro, and tell you, say, this and that, but I show you as a man, certain things you just hold down, my dog. You see it, you deal with Rose one different time, bro. You see when you youth them there, different thing, bro. Cause you know when your daughter get up and feel like say, yo, it's alright for your man come put her hand on her and that is love. You can ask them in front of me, bro. Them respect me, JAKES. Ask your pitney them if them not respect me, bro. You see it, and if you say that in front of him, your son, he might go feel like it alright for your man. For beat out some girl senses, bro, and comfortable for beat out some girl senses. Ask them why they rate me. And if what me do for them in a dog, I just how me deal with them, bro, and deal with them mother. They like that. They respect me because I how me deal with them mother with respect and show them love. Me no shout after them, bro. You see, me is not a father yet, bro. So maybe you can teach me one or two things, but all me know, me is just a good person. And me is a genuine youth. And anyway I stay, I saw me I go stay, my dog. That's why me I saying if me forget me youth, me I go raise them to the best of my ability. That's why me I say, maybe you can teach me 2 tips when me get me youth to be a father. Cause 2 you have, me not have none yet, my dog. That's why me I say, wise up and look on certain things, bro, man. I leg up certain things, my dog, man. That's it. Certain things don't make sense, bro. Me can tell you that. Because when you made certain way, bro, me I tell you. Bro, you know about generational curse? Generational curse, really, here, bro. So the same way you deal with some woman out here, same way a man ever deal with your daughter, dog. And the same way you see some little youth arise, bro, and you try this them and put them down, remember you have a son to, bro. That's what me I say. Remember you have a son to, my dog. You have to just remember them things. There were some people when I this your dog. You see it? It does sound like some killer will kill innocent people. You saw them feel away? Yeah, dog. Yeah, man, and when them kill killer, them not feel away. You know, trouble people in trouble you, my dog, man. There's something named generational curse. You get up and beat out your mother every day, dog. Remember you have a little daughter, bro. You have to remember that, my G. Remember you have your son. You see what I say? So you there so try put down a youth. You there so me Annie Pitney, you know. You there so try put down a youth. Remember you have son a grow to dog. And the whole of we young. You see it? Believe me, my dog, man. Power up your life. Power up the life, your team. If you can share up your life, and share up your life in the place. No, bro, you know what I'm doing on a vibe today. I'm really coming here for just without start my mind, dog, but the kind of, you know, dumb vibes as I say. Normally, I'm forward over here asking off my teeth. But something just I get out of hand, bro, and it's not cute. None at all, bro. You see it? Even with what Ricky has said, bro. This a scam and this a that. How, nigga? Nigga, how? Any girl I talk to, man, bro, man, you can ask them, bro. Bill champion, bro. That's what I say, with my guidance and my advice, bro. No girl when I deal with can't falter. And nobody when I put under my wings them can't falter, my dog. You want a man around me as an example? Look for and figure it out. Look for and figure it out. You see it? I may have other friend in a life where my boss. Look for my big brother Max. Build champion, my dog, man. Me no break champion. And who was your kind? Remember when me I come over TikTok? You know, remember the day when me tell Rose me I go pick her up? Remember 2 BMW me showing out there, so 1 truck and a car. I want to remember say the day when me I tell Rose me I go pick her up and she say me nah no car. Remember me show you the truck and a car. So I'm financially stable. Long time. You see what I say? I'm a thank God for TikTok always. Thank God. In a real life charging. No power to like the please and thanks. Thank God for TikTok. You see what I say? But I've been a do my thing a long time, peeps. You see what I say? Yeah, bro, God always bless me, bro. Remember me is a praying youth in a dog. You see it? You know, did forgot that? Remember me always a pray, bro. Always, never stop pray, bro. Always a pray, my dog. Now remember that, bro. You see it? You not ramp with people like them, the charge you. You not ramp with God, pick me, dog. You see me I say, because while you not walk with no gun and a knife, a God me I walk with charge and a beat, you know. But I say me I walk with God and a beat, you know. But I idiot me I go on charge. Tell me, I tell you. You see it, and it's not me the first man for do series over here. Whole heap of series keep over here. All. You remember from World Dog and Brick Time too? You remember that? That wasn't a love scam? From them time, the man. People more entertainment on the app, man. That's why I say them can laugh and have a joyful time. Mix up on a deal with you. Mixup on our deal with charge. I'm not dep on that. Mixup on our deal with bad dog. I'm not dep on that, bro. That's what I say. Believe me, dog. See, I do all the thing with you. I'm serious that just takes a boom and capitalize on it and push it. Different thing I makes my dog, man. I don't realize when I do my thing, bro. I'm a girl, my made straight, you know, bro. I'm a meds boy, you know. I'm a thick as my made straight, you know. See it? Remember that. Power tap the light of it. I light up that spliff. I'm a meds boy, dog, when I do my thing over here, charge it. You see it? I'm a thick as my meds straight. I run my life, dog. Delete my God boss me, dog. Nobody. In a real life, I not give nobody my energy. You see it? I know what I feel know and I say what I feel say. You see it? So you say anybody when I say I come a full on a bag of lie, I not have to say nothing no more. You see it? Because remember the people them say them never come there. So why them agree say them come there now? You see it? Yeah, bro. So you know who I obsess one, bro. You see it? Me nobody no. Me a no bad man none at all. You see it? I shake when I see people. So me a no bad man none at all, bro. Me is no bad man. So watch you know? I just slap my little tail and go and do my thing and go through. You see it? Me is no bad man. But all me know, if me no want a boy in my place, then can't come in my place. You see it? Yeah, man. But me is nobody up, man. You see it? So, remember, you know, bro, I pray me, you know, me not pray, you know, me not no vengeance in me against you, you know. You are pray me. As what I say, so when you see me in your place, you just do what you have to do, my dog. You see it? Yeah, my dog. That's all you have to do. I have nothing more to say to you, bro. Big up yourself. Me is no bad man, bro. You see it? But nothing can stop me from going to a place. You see it? So when you see me in a place, my dog, anything you want to do me, you just do me, my dog. Easy. It's as simple as that, my bro. You see it? God me left a deal with that somehow, you know. Cause Bumbo clot. Boy, I never from the day I born. I never see this yet. Forgive myself, you know. People, I saw me as a man move, you know. You say if you don't know me, my mother tell you, I don't really make people drain my energy, you know. You see what I say, because me know what me know. One thing with me, so me I hold my foot and I hold my post, me I hold my post. You see what I say? Yeah, dog. Power tap the life, yeah. Yeah, bro, I live by code, dog. You see it? I know a little mix up, boy. You see it? You see them little thing you want to see? I go on, I do them little back and forth thing. You see it? Yeah, bro. You're charging. Yeah. Yeah, gangster, my dog. I really do them little thing here, bro. Back and forth with man. And some man feel like say, yo, that's some argument thing me now with them, bro. You see what I say? And give some people my energy, brother. Because I not give people my energy, you know. One thing with me, you know. I not make boy and the energy, you know. I mean, it's a man, bad man way. Me always keep a smile on my face, dog. With anything I do charge and go through life, bro. I mean, I make problem with people, you. You see, I'm going to tell you how people stay charged. They make problem. You see what I say? And then catch them coward and get freed, bro. When them I make the problem, them, brother. You see what I say? When the problem start reach them back charge, be a creed them a ball. You see it? So that's why I don't make problem with people, because I'm not bad. Tell me, I tell you now.
Me I got reason. We don't know. What should we do? Continue chatting now. Yeah, man, we should go and continue chat, man. Make sure go and chat, man. Make sure go and chat. I'm gonna circle back. I'm gonna come back around. I'm gonna come back around. What? She's not there, you know. She's not there. So she got talk and agree to them because she's not there. You see it?
Oh my god.
You go so hard.
How are you? I'm going to get.
I'm not chasing with she, you know, because that's she want. This big that full waist girl, that she want. You understand? Not she want, so I'm going to give she where she want. Yeah. I'm not chasing with no girl. I'm not chasing with no girl. She get what she get. Chat? But then I just answer to as I said, then you still and what thing you know. Mom is the word and Barry Peter again. Because she bad, you know. You must she tough.
My back, you're tired.
She tough. Me I listen to her, come tell. You come tell me about me not for your school, I listen to her. I listen to her. Show her something big that waist, girl. Big numbskull, girl. You know why? You attack off your mouth, you know. Somebody here look for chase with you, you know. How much part should they not carry? I wonder if up the road should they not carry. chat.
And the people them love the jakes. They don't know that. Look how far baby can get things. You know see that?
Pepper, yeah, it's true. That's why I really want to circle up, okay? Yeah.
So it's just how the people them
I
love
mean, I look a baby just come give me this a while ago.